This is Homespy B-frame making machine, sidebar forming machine. We stack some wood blanks in the hopper section of the machine. An automated feeding system with rollers then guides the blanks one by one into the processing station. Inside, cutting tools precisely shape the wood, forming the intricate profile required for B-frame sidebar blocks. This process includes shaping the outer edges and creating the necessary notches for assembly with the top and bottom bars. The machine efficiently processes the timber, transforming blanks into accurately profiled sidebar blocks. This machine produces the sidebar blocks. After these blocks are processed here, a separate sidebar slicer is required to cut them into the finished sidebars. The robust construction of this profiling machine, with its multiple motors and roller systems, is designed for high-volume production of these blocks. The processed sidebar blocks continue along the outfeed path. This machine automates the complex initial shaping for the sidebar blocks, significantly increasing production efficiency for this stage. The automated process ensures that each sidebar block is manufactured to consistent specifications. The machine continues its automated cycle, taking blanks from the hopper and transforming them into precisely shaped components. This demonstrates the machine's capability for sustained, reliable operation in a workshop environment for producing sidebar blocks. Using a digital caliper, you can see the precise dimensions of the sidebar block. Our B-frame sidebar making machines are designed for reliability and precision in producing these profiled blocks. Importantly, these machines can be customized to your specific production requirements and sidebar block designs.